welcome back to our channel. And for those who are new to our channel, my name is Rachel. And if you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe and like the bell button and hit the like. And today we're gonna do another unboxing. So this one we ordered online. Actually, Bjorn ordered it for Paris. So this is another unboxing for Paris. But Paris now she's sleeping. So I'm gonna do the honor to open it for her. Alright. So if you wanna see what's inside, stay tuned after a short break. Welcome back, guys. So let's open it. Actually, we ordered it too. Patpat. Wow. Oh, nice. They're in a nice plastic bag. Patpat. 1, 2, 3. And there's the delivery address, of course, the order receipt. So this one, you can order to Patpat, not sponsored video by Patpat, we just wanted to share it with you. Because the first time we ordered to Patpat, and it takes only 2 weeks, and it came from China. Patpat, www.patpat.com. So if you wanna order there, so you can go to their website. So let's open this one small box. Red. I guess you know what it is. We ordered 6 to 9 months because Paris tomorrow will be 8 months. So we open this first. So this is for December. First, we're gonna remove the tags. Alright. And then wow! A little mini Santa Claus. Oh, I'm so excited to try this for Paris. It's nice for her December photo shoot. I want to try it to her, but she's sleeping right now. So this is the first item. Little mini Santa Claus. Let's open this second. This one is nice also that you can, you reuse the ziplock. Another one for Paris. So moist. Wow, actually not bad. The quality is good. It's pretty. It's cute. And it says here, my first Merry Christmas. Oh, Paris is awake now. Alright, this is the second one. Wait, guys, let's pause for a break because Paris woke up. Welcome back, guys. False alarm. Paris is just dreaming. She go back to sleep. This is the third plastic item that we ordered. It's wow, beautiful white jacket. It's like chameleon. It looks like pinkish, green, white, yellowish. Wow. Has, of course, the logo Patpat. Cute, quality, great price. That's their logo. Oh, it's nice, this one. Wow, it's so fluffy and soft inside, of course. for winter. Paris gonna wear this for the winter because now it's December. It's the first day of December. It's getting colder until January, February, up to March here in Belgium. So she gonna use this nice jacket. So guys, these are the items that we ordered to Patpat. They are most especially goodies, quality items for babies. They are more for babies and toddlers. So if you wanna order, just go to the website. So guys, for those who didn't know, Patpat, it's an American company, and it's written here. Their address, 650 Castro Street, Mountain View, California, Patpat. And but they just, factory from made in China, but it's American company. So it also has a QR code that you can insert, scan or download their app. So this is Patpat. So wow, Paris has a lot of Christmas dresses. This will gonna be for the next year because it's still big for Paris. We ordered it in advance, so we have a free delivery. And this year for Christmas. So if you want to see Paris wearing this little mini Santa Claus, stay tuned for our next video vlog. It's so cute. And the quality is so good, It's not really bad. And soft and not really smelly. Of course, I need to wash it before Paris wear it. Cutie. So guys, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and see you again on next time.